Welcome to the October 2025 construction update for Rubrick Sriven Tripura, where progress is steady and your new home is taking shape beautifully. Rubrick Sriven Tripura offers spacious 2 and 3 BHK homes in the vibrant neighborhood of Gandi Maisamma. Spread across 5.24 acres, the project features 3 elegant towers, a 50,000 square foot clubhouse, and more than 60 premium amenities, built with the expertise of Tata Projects for uncompromised quality and precision. Construction across all towers is progressing seamlessly. Structural work is complete, and interior finishing, including plastering, flooring, and electrical fittings, is advancing rapidly. The 50,000 square foot clubhouse structure is up, and internal works have commenced. Located at Gandi Maisamma X roads, Rubrick Sriven Tripura offers unmatched connectivity to Hyderabad's major destinations. Project provides easy access to the outer ring road, Bachupalli, Pragati Nagar, and Kukatpalli, making everyday commutes effortless. Each phase of construction is carefully managed to meet the highest standards. From structure and finishing to quality checks and safety measures, every milestone brings the project closer to completion. In the coming months, we'll complete painting, flooring, and external development. Landscaping and amenity areas will begin to take shape, moving us closer to final handover. Thank you for watching the October 2025 construction update for Rubrick Sriven Tripura. Stay tuned for the next update. Your dream home is almost ready.